Whoa, yeah, Mrs. So efficient at reading the attendance. Now I'm doing a song cause I don't know why. Cause she said let's do a song about her doing the attendance. So I said, why not? Yeah, cause this is a song about Miss reading attendance efficiently. Efficiently reading the attendance is really good. I don't know why, but I'm making the song. Why Miss is very good at reading the attendance. Yeah, she's very good at making the attendance. Yeah, Miss is very good at reading the attendance efficiently. Miss is reading the attendance efficiently. Yeah, this is the end of the song now.